it's 203. Oh, 9258? No!
Why?
That's an ex-Operation Lifesaver locomotive.
I think I got it.
That used to be an Operation Lifesaver locomotive. That's what makes me sad about that locomotive, dude. No! So close, but so far.
I don't know, good short. Hope we did. $203, probably?
Yeah, it's 203 for sure.
I put it in that description, 203, question mark.
No, it's 203. Because I know what 203 looks like. This is 203. And plus, it's the right time. This is also the right time for 203. Yeah, this is 203.
It looks like 203.
Oh, please.
This is not a bad shot though. I think the lining could be a little better, I do agree. But do what I can do.
Yep.
This is the best I can do.
A lot of UPS.
Yeah, a lot of ups. I saw some
Ups, FedEx.
yeah.
A lot of domestic freight and mail.
It goes a lot
That's what
score.
203 is, though.
Alright guys, this will probably be the last video. It probably will be. This is by Daniels. Daniels is just other side of that bridge, well, over there by other side of Tony is, aka the Star Muffin Jr. So this is probably if this is, see you guys next time.